Use of metals.
Using metals. We use brass or stainless steel glasses to drink water. Some people use brass or copper pitchers to store water. Many tools and implements used for farming or gardening are made of iron. We are familiar with gold and silver ornaments. Copper, brass, gold, silver, iron, stainless steel are all metals. The use of metals was not known at the beginning of the Stone Age. Men used things made of stone, clay, bones, or wood. In the course of time, man came to know about metals. He started using metals for making various things. The discovery of metals. The first metal that man discovered was copper. While searching for stones to make tools, he came across reddish and green nuggets in riverbeds. Man observed that these nuggets change shape on beating. Then he thought of beating them into any shape he wanted. Later, he also learned that one gets copper from these nuggets when they are heated a lot. It is easier to shape this copper and make various things from it. Man started making copper articles such as spearheads, arrowheads, knives, different kinds of pots and pans, beads and bangles. Precious metals. Man also found two other metals. They were much softer than copper, so they could not be used for making tools. But they glittered and looked very attractive. Therefore, man used them to make ornaments. These metals were gold and silver. Discovery of alloys. Man had already learned that metals become soft when put in fire. Later he also found that metals melt and become liquid at a very high temperature. He started smelting metals in a furnace. It was easier to make metal articles by pouring molten metal into molds. The mixture of two molten metals produces a new metal. A metal thus produced is called an alloy. An alloy is harder than the metals which produce it. Man learned all this through experience. Bronze. Man made an alloy of copper and tin. It is called bronze. Man used bronze to make many different things like tools, weapons, statues, and decorative articles. Using alloys, man could make sturdier and more elegant articles. Iron. Iron was discovered long after bronze. Today, we use many things and machines made of iron. With the discovery of metals, the Stone Age came to an end and the Age of Metals began.